Hello, I'm Tim, and today I'm going to go over the Oliver Model 4045 12-inch table saw. This saw is massive, and one thing that sets this machine apart from its competitors is the cast iron base that it sits on. It puts a lot of its mass down low to the ground, making this saw extremely stable. With an extra large precision ground cast table that's almost 31 inches deep, it gives you more support for your workpieces as you pass them through. This saw uses a 12-inch diameter blade and has a 1-inch arbor with the capacity of up to 13/16 of an inch with dado stack. The fully enclosed cabinet and dust shroud around the blade has a 4-inch collection port in the back for superior dust collection. A wide stance trunnion features left tilt of up to 45 degrees. Also included is a digital readout for precise angle setup. The blade lift mechanism features hydraulic assistance for easy operation. Included are both a riving knife and a blade guard splitter, giving you added safety against kickback. A heavy-duty miter gauge is also included as standard equipment. The T-square fence system is available in either a 36-inch or 52-inch rip capacity. I have the 52-inch version right here, which includes a 12-inch cast wing to the left and a full extension table to the right for support for your workpieces across the entire rip capacity. The 36-inch rip capacity version comes with a 12-inch cast wing on either side. Depending on the needs for your shop, you have an option of a 5 horsepower single phase or a 7.5 horsepower 3-phase motor. Power is transmitted to the arbor via a poly V-belt, which reduces vibration. The control has a magnetic switch, which provides extra protection for the motor and safety in the case of a power outage. And as with all Oliver machines, the 4045 table saw includes a 2-year warranty on the machine and a 1-year warranty on all the electronics. For full details, to purchase one for yourself, or to view the rest of their entire lineup, visit olivermachinery.net. Thanks for watching.